on Facebook. That's facebook.com/jam sessions with Zugs and Kel. And tune in to When They Get Doki on their show this Sunday already at 7 in the evening. That's also something that we broadcast live over the World Wide Web, so you can still log on to jam883.fm for that one. Now let's get started with our radio marketplace. We're featuring things that are hot and fresh out there in the market, and we're taking a trip to the market today, and we're featuring a store that is really OC heaven. There's always a way to organize. That's their tagline. Welcome to Radio Marketplace. Richie Ramos of Store and Stack. Hi, Richie.
Hi, Lana. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon and welcome to Jam.
Yes, thanks for inviting me.
All right, so I mentioned earlier that it's OC heaven. I love organizing. I like to make sure that things are in their right places all the time.
All right.
I've got boxes for everything. I've got folders for papers and all that stuff. And you really take it to the next level
Yes.
with your product.
Yes.
So why don't you tell us, and all of the listeners out there, what you offer over
All
at
right.
Store and Stack?
Yes, actually I started with just bag organizer. So I realized that I have a lot of female friends and I have sisters, and I realized that they change their bags as often as they can, or as often as they change their moods.
Yeah,
So
or their clothes, because certain bags
yes,
will go with certain
correct.
colors.
So I noticed that whenever they change their bags, all of the contents they have to transfer, and most of the time they forget some of the items on their bags. So that's where I started. Then I scouted, and then I actually found some few items, like this bag organizer that I'm holding right now, so the people can see. Looking at the video. All right. So anyway,
on
so
www.jam883.fm.
yes. So I searched for that, and then I improved on it, and then I made it my own. And then that's how I started. And then from then on, I created different items as well. So I have organizers for bags. I have organizers for when you travel. I have organizers for home needs. I also have organizer items for your office needs. So,
You've got quite a collection.
yes.
Well, let's go back again to your bag organizer. So
All
you
right.
started with this.
Yes.
And then it comes in different sizes?
It comes in different sizes. This one is the smallest size.
Okay.
Alright, but I also have a medium size and a bigger one.
All
Although
right.
the first product that I developed was actually a medium size.
Okay.
But I never realized that females would have different sizes of bags. And then I got a lot of requests from customers. Can you make a bigger one? Can you make a smaller one? And then that's how I, keep on developing items for my business.
That's true.
Alright.
And what I like about this is that if you go around and you see a lot of these bag organizers, yours has got more pockets
Yes.
than the usual that you'll see out there.
Yes.
And, well, for me, for example, I also like to transfer bags a lot. And I have a lot of bags that don't have flat bottoms.
Yes, yes.
So I use the bag organizer a lot because I don't like it when my items jangle
Correct.
inside my
Correct,
bag. So
correct.
it's all topsy-turvy when I open it. So I like having it there in their little compartment.
Yes.
And this one, it's a little bigger than your average, I guess, Kikai kits for girls out there. So you guys have an idea of the size. And this is a small bag organizer. There's pockets, lots of pockets in front. You can
Yes.
store your keys, your cell phone,
Your ball pens, your mobile phone.
Right.
Yeah.
And there's also compartments at the sides of
Yes.
the bag.
Yes, you can put your perfume, you can put your mobile phones if you have big mobile phones, and the inside you can put your, if you have any pocketbooks,
Right.
any notebooks, small notebooks.
Very nice.
So you can also put in your keys on this holder.
I
Yes.
like it. All right, and it comes in different colors.
Yes. This is a chocolate brown color. I also have this in black, in beige. What else do I have? In blue. Yeah. But sometimes I get a request from customers. I can actually customize. So if they want, for example, an orange color or a yellow color,
That's fine.
I can definitely do that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go through some of the other items that you have there.
Alright. Okay. So This is my favorite. This one that I showed you a while ago, off the air. I have this shoes and slippers bag. I personally designed it because one thing I don't like is that, there's a lot of shoe bags in the market. But one thing I don't like is that you put your shoes and your slippers on just one packet or one side. And, sometimes shoes or slippers can be very dirty. So